What in the hell is happening here? So wireless fans aren't necessarily new. Lian Li did already release a previous version of these, but they are new to us, and let me tell you, we are getting a kick out of them. These are the new Lian Li UNI SL Infinity wireless fans, and the accessories that go with them. The L-Connect wireless controller and the wireless receiver, SATA 1 to 3 PWM cable, and Lian Li fan power bank. Lian Li has both single and 3-pack of the regular and reverse blade versions of the UNI fan. However, you will absolutely want to get yourself the 3-pack as it includes the L wireless controller and the SATA 1 to 3 PWM cable, whereas the single packs do not. The L wireless controller can connect via USB to the motherboard I/O, or it can also connect with the 2.0 header and PWM header on the motherboard. It can also be used with up to 10 Lian Li devices. Each fan group requires a clip-integrated receiver powered by a PWM header, so you'll get the UniFan SL Infinity wireless receiver with each individual fan. You will also receive a SATA 1 to 3 PWM. However, upon closer inspection, it seems to be a SATA power splitter, which utilizes the power from your power supply to power your fans instead of potentially overdrawing from your motherboard in case you have too many fans daisy-chained. Also, if you're one of the lucky first 6,000 buyers of the SL Infinity wireless reverse fans, the 3-pack, you will receive a power bank so you can take your fans, well, basically anywhere. It is powered with USB-C and also has an integrated display so you can see your charge at all times. There are 3 different lighting zones on this fan: the center hub and fan blade, the inner edge, and the diffused side strip. The diffused side strip also comes with 2 different options, so you can choose which one you like more. So as you can see, this is a very exciting new product, and it's even easier to use now with the new updated L-Connect 3 software. However, let's stop talking about them. Let's get these fans into a build, and then we'll hop into the L-Connect 3 later. In the updated L-Connect 3 software, you can sync and configure your lighting with presets or total custom profiles. You can control fan speed and also simply bind and organize devices. These fans are available for purchase now, with a 3-pack with the receiver, wireless controller, and SATA 1 to 3 PWM cables for $104.99 USD. A single with just the receiver for $31.99 each, and the wireless controller can be purchased separately for $17.99. You can get them at the link in our bio. Until the next one.